In this video, we're gonna tour the 379Flok 2020 Forest River Sandpiper.
This unit is beautiful, guys. Enjoy the video. Welcome back to the RV Odd Couple. My name is John.
And I'm Mercedes. Long story short, we sold most of our possessions in pursuit of freedom, independence, and adventure.
Because life is so short.
It is, and in this video, we're gonna tour the brand new 2020 379Flok Forest River Sandpiper with the new color scheme.
These rigs are beautiful, guys.
They are. We're gonna share our first impressions, and we're gonna share if we like this one better than our current Forest River, because we own a 2018 Forest River Sandpiper.
Right.
So as current Forest River Sandpiper owners and as full-time RVers, we're gonna give you our thoughts.
Forest River was kind enough to invite us out to their plant. We got to look at their production lines, and they've laid 3 campers out, the 2020 line of Sandpipers. We're so excited. These units are absolutely beautiful, and we think you're gonna love them. Okay? Let's go.
I love this! We're in trouble, baby. We're in trouble. Mama wants a 2020.
So as you can see, this has got a middle kitchen, and Mercedes just loves this.
Cabinets.
Yeah,
Cabinets.
lots of cabinets,
I
and
love
then
your
on this
cabinets.
wall, look it down there, baby. Open those all up.
This is phenomenal. This extra storage makes such a big difference. And then down here too, looks like this one you can use. So this is blocked, but you've got this top part and you got that bottom part. And these are decent sized.
They are.
They're decent sized.
Well, 15 inches.
Yeah, and think about it, you also have these 3 drawers over here, so I finally have a place to put pens and pencils and stuff. So this is very much like what we have, but what's different is that the finish of the wood is a lot lighter. And I like it. It's just a hair lighter, and it's more like gray, but I like it. It feels so much bigger with this wallpaper. This pantry is awesome. This is bigger than the pantry we have now. So I like the fact that it's big, but it's not too big because you can lose things behind. And I love these drawers. This is very similar to what we have now, except it's wider. What I have now is a lot more narrow. This is interesting.
Oh, that's really deep. Yeah.
Yeah.
Above the microwave.
Yep.
That's a great idea to get you a little bit more space.
But this, I love this.
Nice backsplash.
I love it.
Another big oven.
This is a turkey oven.
Yeah, you can get a turkey in there. That's a big oven, guys.
This is phenomenal. If you're full-time, this makes a big difference. This makes a huge difference if you're RVing full-time.
And there's that new inverter linear double refrigerator.
This is huge. This is huge.
Yep.
We don't have a space to like put our keys down and that sort of thing. So we've got this and this for storage. Now this,
Nice.
it's a lot of storage in there. You know what thing I love about this? Look at how big this window is.
Yeah, these windows are really big. They're really doing a good job of getting as much light into these rigs as you possibly can.
Oh, and look, this is like a blackout curtain, so
Nice.
that is
All
really
rigs
nice.
have them.
Yeah.
So, and it looks like this table extends.
I go from down here.
Look at that little table extender, guys. What a really nice little idea.
Yeah.
So you can easily get 3 chairs on each side in this.
And then
2 chairs, yeah. You just lift that and it slides right back in.
that's awesome. Wow. This is such a nice area to entertain.
And check out the nose cone, guys, on this.
Yeah.
It's like a plexiglass now, so it allows the light to come in And this is just a huge living area. Hold on, baby.
I can put plants over here.
Great.
Yay! John, I can get more plants.
A little bit more storage.
Whoa.
$50-inch TV. Okay, lower it.
Get a load of this. Ah! That's awesome.
And this is the front of the rig, guys. We're actually sitting over the pen, so. Yeah, this is actually the nose cone of the Sandpiper from the inside. Really, really cool. That's nice.
That's really nice.
Pull out bed, looks like a queen.
Yep.
Pull out bed, looks like a queen on the other side.
Oh.
Lots of windows, lots of light. Ooh, look at that. Oh,
I didn't notice
entertainment
this.
system, and it's got that on both sides, baby. Open the other one.
Wow.
Nice. That's deep. And that's about 18 inches deep. That's nice. Okay.
That is nice.
And then, of course, you got the half wall down to the kitchen.
And that's what I love about it. It still feels like you're connected. You're together.
Yeah, it feels really large in here.
This is awesome. Having two cabinets, these two extra cabinets compared to what we have now, this is huge. Because right now all we have is this and this counter space, but this extra counter space and that extra counter space is amazing. Wow, this is a lot bigger. This is a lot bigger. This has more space this way. I love this. Check this out.
Nice. I'd add another couple shelves to that.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Yep.
I love the high
And
ceilings.
check out where the washer and dryer goes, guys.
What? What? No, but I thought it opened this way.
No, I
didn't
showed you.
realize-
I opened it. I told you it was a slide, honey. The last one was a slide too.
I'm sorry I wasn't paying attention. I also like the fact that this window is not directly in front of the bathroom,
Right.
so no one will see you in the bathroom. All right.
This unit does have 2 doors.
Wow. So this is really interesting. So you have storage up here, which is nice.
That's
we
a
don't
lot of
have this.
storage, yeah.
Yeah. And it's a little tight on the side, but that's okay.
Yeah, it looks like this is a king.
Yeah, it's worth it.
This is a
though, to
king,
have
and
a
that's
king.
what happens when you have a king. It's tight on the sides.
This is interesting because we don't have a full closet.
Yep, there's another one of those Wi-Fi routers, which is what a great idea. Okay.
And then I'm just gonna open this side because it's the
Yep,
same.
it's the same on both sides. So you got a closet hangers up top. You've got 3 drawers in the bottom, and guys, this is deep. This is a good 20 inches deep here.
Yeah, this is a big drawer.
Yep. And then on this side,
This is really interesting too. So this is a little shallow, but that's fine. This is perfect for like DVDs.
just
this is
close
narrow,
it.
too.
Just close it. What a beautiful rig, huh?
Yes.
All
I
right.
think this is a good time to do a public service announcement. Do not let your wives see the 2020 interior design of the Sandpiper because they will fall in love and you will need to get a newer model.